In this video, we will cover what do you mean by TCP IP vulnerabilities and what are the different types of TCP vulnerabilities are there. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. This protocol is used for creating a communication between different application program and our computing devices. So client and server will exchange the data with the help of this TCP protocol. Whenever we are using the concept of TCP, then it can give the guarantee that our successful delivery of our data or our message over the internet. Next protocol is Internet Protocol. Whenever we are using the computing devices, our host machine, our computer machine is having the IP address. Each and every device is having their own IP address, and that is the unique identifier, which is used for uniquely identifying the machine or host. And this protocol is used for communicating the message or data over the internet. The third concept is vulnerabilities. So vulnerabilities is nothing but the weaknesses in your information system. So there are some patches, there are some network configurations are available and that can be exploited by any attacker or any threats. That is called as vulnerabilities. So there are different types of TCP vulnerabilities are available. The first one is packet sniffing, then ARP spoofing, port scanning, IP spoofing, TCP SYN flood, and DNS spoofing. So these are the different types of vulnerabilities are available. In the next video, we will see what are the different types of vulnerabilities in detailed manner.